Every few weeks, we see headlines like these: millions of mails, phone numbers, and even passwords exposed. But the real question: is your phone number already a part of data breach? Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to build a simple tool that helps you find your data in known breaches. Let's get started. First thing first, create a new project directory using mkdir command. This keeps everything clean and organized. To get into the folder, type cd data leaker check and hit enter. Nano leak checker is to open text editor and to create a Python file. Leakchecker.py, enter, paste the script. Link of this code is in the description. This script takes an email ID or phone number as input. It checks the value against the leaked data. Red text means the data is found in leaked database. Green is safe. Control O, enter Control X, and back to the terminal. Python 3 leakchecker.py to run the script. Enter email ID. This video is for educational purpose only. Enter any email ID of your own choice. Red flag. This shows that this mail is found in the leaked database. Run the script again. Same Python 3 leakchecker.py. Enter another mail ID, righthack@protonmail.com. Green flag. Now this is safe. Time to clear the screen. Run the script again. Let's try some more email IDs. Red flag, again compromised. Run again to check the phone number. This script is intentionally kept simple. You can modify it, expand the database, or even integrate it into a larger cybersecurity projects. For real-time and verified breach checks, I personally used Have I Been Pwned for live data leak detection. You can get your own API key directly from their website. It is available at the nominal price. Tools like this can help you stay safe. If you ever find your email or data in a leak, you can immediately change passwords, enable 2FA, and protect your digital identity. Thanks for watching.